This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Chris Wheat. No Hoa. Well-maintained 4-bedroom/2-bath double-wide mobile home on almost half-acre located in the community of Shady Hammock. The home features a large open floor plan that is great for entertaining. The kitchen has ample counter space and storage. There is also an indoor laundry area. Conveniently located near Highway 60 close to Lakeland. Call today to schedule your private showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Chris Wheat at 813-789-0748.